here live with the official female from the incident that took over social media, Facebook, Instagram, you name it. Right? Moses, aka Platinum, nobody started calling the seventh head dragon. So right now we are here live with the female. Most of you didn't know her, so she is here live. So we just want to introduce herself first of all and then tell us what happened.
My name is Chicago. I come from Friendship. Just Navarra. Moses. Private spot. So I have a private spot. He say, where is the private spot? He say, private spot, they run a different photo. Same say, come on, we will go. You give me $1,000. Say, if you have a drink. So say, we don't have no drink yet. So this is the reason. He says, start him up himself. So we're go upstairs. Go buy 2 beers, start have a drink with the reason. Say, I say, no man, woman a pre, we can't stay. So I say, alright then. Went to a room. So we go in the room now in this side. So I fuck say me, I said, no, I'm never come for no fuck, I come for your money from you. Say me, I have to start beating. Everyone come up, say me, I have to start boxing. In the pan, girl, you have to give me the fuck tonight. I say, nah, I get no fuck, you know. I beat me, I go get for the money. Say me, I have to start running down and start beating. Say him start take off him pants and him underpants and start rolling on the boots. And I say, come girl, you have to give me the fuck. So I say, no pussy for you today, I beat no for you. You nah get no fuck. So I have to end up get one map stick and start beat him to death. Because he hard for dead. And I fuck and I say tough stuff. And he have the money, and me want the money. Then I start beat him in the head and all over him. Then start running a ball. Murder, murder, murder. Then I said to one lady, say, this a man here make too much nice and I call down this place, you know. Give him one mash but make him one crossing blood clot, yeah, make him go sleep. She said, no, you can't lick him with no mash because I fucking same bargain for. So you can't bargain for fuck from woman in them clothes, because I have all my jaws and my wall and my clothes. Say, you don't get that money and for me. Murder, call the police. So I look for him and I start laughing. I say, you know, say you serious. You can't come and marry me with $200,000 in your pocket. Nice guy like me and you don't want to give me none. Where your woman then you want that yard? I say, where you pitting there, you pitting that yard? So I say, prefer can come give a bar, girl. I say, alright then, your woman have to see this on Facebook or buy anything to the cash. I go say, you walk and give you the money and I buy.
Well, question. Maybe I say, we come with $200,000.
$200,000 pay money.
Next thing we want to find out, hear him say, in total, first thing give you $1,000 to buy a condom, right? And give you $2,000 to pay for the room, and give you $5,000 for sex. Is that so?
No, sir.
So how it actually go? What do you explain all of that?
The money part is reason we want a private spot. So you know the private spot include with everything. But to all my damn thing, I say no man can't make this a man fuck me. To all this a long teeth, them a long teeth.
Nervous!
Hey man make me get nervous. So I say, me that shit me just need this blood clot and kill him for his money. Because me can't make this a man go on top of me. Worse me and me see man myself and we are strong. Front big, so me couldn't make the same savage dragon him at all in me. Let me just start beat him. Instead of me making you savage dragon beat him, me start beat him.
So, no sex was intended. That was the agreement.
No, we never have the agreement. We don't have no, not all. We didn't have any sex.
So, anything you want to say, think as you remember what?
Me know my platinum, my like you met me name. Me know my can see you one next day can have a drink.
Good God!
One more question. So, since you said Platinum never get a cut, you think you would have given a touch all the time?
Yes, because things are more better off now.
Okay, and
say more teeth that come in and
Good God!
be a thing. They understand them have nice, good, clean things for the father. And they say thing they rate him style and I like it.
Good
So you hear that people, so you hear this, when you hear Platinum side, what's your name again?
My name is Chikaboom.
And you hear Chikaboom side. So, what do you think? Who right, who wrong, how the story go? You understand? Comment, like, share the views. Hear more from
Well, two of them want to interview. Oh, I interview them. Get it one.
Interview them?
Try me to interview them.
Do what?
Two of them want to.
You want to know the thing why I never share him because we don't know
Oh,
how intention was. Yeah. And so I war, I say I war in the video.
Hold on, this guy is good.
Yeah.
Then it's any time ready for them.
No, I know that no. But I say the first yeah.
I'm going to see this. I know it's anytime
More,
ready. Anytime ready. Get your official booking.
Come and friendship him. Back to the film. No matter what I do, they in a bit more. I interview for me because I've been a thing for them. So they come and sit down and check out because I have a drink with them. I told him doing show one time.
No one, I mean interview.
Yes.
Big it up!